In this video, I'll be showing you tips on how to restart iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Pro, and Pro Max. We can restart the iPhone in two ways, a soft restart and a hard restart. Soft restart helped to fix minor software glitch, but hard reboot fixed big software issues. iPhone is unresponsive or frozen. Let's see soft restart first. Press and hold either the volume button and the side power button together until you see the screen slide to power off. Drag the slider and wait for 5 to 10 seconds to shut down your iPhone completely. To turn on, press and hold the side power button until you see the Apple logo on screen. Enter your iPhone lock screen passcode and start using your iPhone normally. Still your issue is not fixed, then perform hard restart. Follow the steps. First, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. At last, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. My iPhone shows the Apple logo on the screen, so I have to leave my iPhone alone to start and wait for the lock screen. Enter your lock screen passcode and check that the issue is fixed. Please like, share, and subscribe to this helpful video. Post your feedback and questions below the comment box.